Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to find your Facebook Business Manager ID. First, go to your browser and search Business Manager. Scroll down and find About Meta Business Manager. Then, tap on it. Just open your account. Then click the menu bar at the left side corner. Click the business settings. Scroll down and find Business Info. Then tap on it. Under the Business Manager info, you should see your Business Manager ID. Then that's it. That's how you find your Facebook Business Manager ID. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.